this video, you will explore the steps to use the Verify button name keyword in Avo Assure to verify that the name of a selected button is the same as the input specified in the test steps when automating SAP applications. Let's first start by adding a new step. For this example, let's select the SPOP_option1_BTN from the drop-down as the element name, and Verify button name as the keyword to verify the button name of the selected button. Enter Yes in the input field to match with the fetched button name. Enter VBN within curly brackets in the output field to show the result after debug. Next, add one more test step by selecting it generic as the element name, and display variable value as the keyword to display the result after debug. Enter the same input value in the second test step, as you did in the output field of the first step to display the variable value created. Click Save to save the designed test steps. Finally, click Debug, and click Debug again from the pop-up. This will debug the designed test steps too, and verify the button name from the pop-up. For this example, the button name and the provided input was yes, hence the result is true.